Deep cleaning services. Do you have a home or a commercial property that you need deep cleaned? I can help with a thorough, high standard, one-off or regular service. Properties accumulate a large amount of dirt over time. Deep cleaning is different to regular cleaning as it tackles deep grime and dirt. While covering areas not traditionally covered by a regular clean or a spring clean, you can hire me to help you with those additional areas, including kitchen appliances, under the sink, blinds, and even scaling on bathroom tiles. I can provide deep cleaning services for any space, quickly and cost effectively. So now you know where to come for all of your deep cleaning services. I hope you have a very blessed day. Peace.